Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the new paper pumpkin kit. This is the August 2020 World's Greatest Paper Pumpkin Kit and it just arrived. Ooh, our spot this month is Pacific Point. I don't think I have a spot in Pacific Point right now, so that's cool. Here is our stamp set. Let me put a piece of white underneath so you can see. Okay, so we've got, this looks like the kind of ribbon that you have, like a military ribbon almost. So we'll have to see where that goes. Then you've got Coach, Friend, Number One, World's Greatest. Let's see. This calls for a celebration. Teacher, Kid, You Deserve a Medal. That's what that is. And You're the Best. And this is like a blue ribbon type ruffled ribbon. And these are distinctive stamps, and that means the way that they stamp, you get those dark and light. The ink collects in the stamp in some areas more than in others. So you've got shadows built into the stamp, so you don't have to do a two-step. You know, back in the day we had to do one layer and then another layer right on top. This has got it all in there for you, so that's kind of cool. And let's see if they have some samples. This looks like Pacific Point ribbon. Very nice. Ooh, I'm going to show you this. This is next month's Paper Pumpkin Kit, which means you have to subscribe by September 10th to get it. And I'm going to tell you, I already know kind of an idea. I haven't seen it, but I have a description of what it is, and it's going to be 20 treat holders. And the cool thing that they're doing this year, and I think this is really awesome, they've given you enough supplies, and you can kind of see here, look at this little pumpkin cutout. I bet that's a die cut from the kit. And here's a witch's hat. And they're saying that there's enough supplies to make 20 Halloween treats, and then the paper is reversible, so you can instead make 20 fall themed treats. And you can, some people don't do Halloween. Maybe you don't do Halloween treats, or you don't have enough for 20 people to have Halloween treats. Then you want to do some that are fall, and those would be great table favors. So you can put a little fall pumpkin-y treat holder at all the people at your Thanksgiving dinner. That would be nice. And there's 20. But then maybe you do Halloween, and maybe you're trying to make a bunch of Halloween treats for a classroom, or you're a teacher, or you're like I do Sunday school. So I sometimes try to find treat holders for all the kids in the little kids class. So I tend to buy extra of the little treat holder kits. So it kind of depends on what you're going to do. But it gives you a little hint in that they're giving you enough to do them all Halloween or all fall Thanksgiving, and that way you know you're going to have leftover little pieces. So those are going to be fun to add on to cards and tags and treat holders and all kinds of things that you make up on your own. So you're going to have lots of leftover little die cut pieces. So that's my tip for next month. And the box is cute too, so you can give someone a little box filled with pumpkin spice chocolates or something. Anyway, this is next month, so don't miss it. And you have to subscribe by September 10th to get it. And like I said, I'm going to get a couple of these because I love treat holder kits. Some people don't. So if you're a subscriber, you know, you can skip a month, or you can get an extra box. Maybe you know you're going to need more than 20 treats. You can add a box, or you can skip a month. That's the nice thing about being a subscriber. You can, you know, skip, add, that kind of thing for a month. So anyway, that's next month. Let's get on to this month. Oh, I already think it's fun just from the back here, but let's look at what it has. Okay, here we go. We have, well, let me find my instructions so I know what I'm looking for. Here we go. So it makes 3 of each card, and there's 3 designs, so 9 cards total. And this is a shaker card. Look at that. That's where all these little stars come into play. So these are shaker cards. That's fun. And then here's that medal that I was telling you about. Looks like a military medal to me. And the stamp says You Deserve a Medal, so that's really fun. And you can give that to so many people. You can say deserve a medal. Maybe it's somebody in your life who's been doing all kinds of work for you. Your troop leader, or someone special. Coach, like this one says World's Greatest Coach. This is really cute. And they're all kind of, they're masculine, but they're not super masculine. So they don't have to be for the males in your life. This could go to anyone. And I think they're really cute. So here's the shaker card elements, and they give you these foam frames. Look how fun that is. Look at the envelopes. So you've got 3 in the green, kind of argyle, and here's a blue. And then what's this one? Not a different pattern of green and blue. So that's that. Here are window sheets for the shaker cards. So those should probably go in there. And then these card bases are really fun. Look at, you've got the argyles that match the envelopes. Here's some backgrounds for some of the cards. Another background. And then you've got these pieces. This is part of your window shaker. And these are what you're going to stamp your sentiments on, your greetings. Oh, here's the big trophy. Nice. Here's some gold foiling. And then inside here you've got adhesive dimensionals, foam, big huge foam sheets, and then these little star sequins. So this is really fun. Let me show you the cards again. So you're going to make 3 each of 3 designs. Oh, there's some little vellum pieces. Let me see if I missed those. You know, they're kind of the same color as my mat. So we've got little vellum pieces here that go in there. Background, there's like leaves and things. And you can kind of see them in the backgrounds here. So very fun. And if you didn't get this kit and you wish you had, contact me. I get several each month, and so I may have one left for you. Don't forget next month's kit, subscribe. You can go over to my blog, Beth's Paper Cuts, and I have a link to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, so you know you're subscribing through me, and you can sign up for that. And you can do that a few different ways. You can prepay for 1 month or 2 months, or 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or a year, or you can do a month to month. The month to month is nice because you can cancel at any time. You can skip a month, add a month. You're not worrying about it anymore, and you know you're not going to miss out. But there's lots of options. So thanks for watching, and I hope that I'll see you back here again.